Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
And today you're gonna need some of this stuff. We're just making random crafts right now. So first you're gonna need just a little container.
We're gonna try to make slime our own way.
No, we're just gonna try to make So right now you just need like something to mix it in. And right now we have some shaving cream. Show them, Jennifer.
So we have some, we have some Barbasol shaving cream because this is actually really foamy. So yeah. So first of all, we're gonna stick it in.
You have to show the camera.
We're gonna put some Barbasol in there.
Yes, go. Okay. I'll hold it. Go.
We're gonna put some in there. Now next, you need shaving cream. Look, well, there's one thing you need now. You need glue. We don't have glue.
Wait,
So
you have some right here.
We do have glue.
Yeah. And then you'll need another container to mix that.
No, it's because it's gonna be hard. It's cause you need to melt it, but my mom's not gonna let me do that. So we're gonna put. This is from Bath and Body Works. I mean, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna add some of it right here and here, if it can even come out. This doesn't want to come out.
So you know what? Instead of shaving cream, let's use some Happily Glitter.
Happily Glitter from Justice. Okay, so that's like pretty thing. So anyway, now we need to mix it. It's gonna be doing N.
So let's add more contact solution. Here, this time you hold the camera. And I'm gonna add a little at a time, not so much, so that it gets impact a lot.
Okay, it's not doing anything.
So right now it's just turning into water, so let's add a bit more. Not so much though. Let's just open this up and pour.
If you hear a baby crying in the background, we're sorry. It's my niece. She's crying because she wants to see the dog, but she can't because I don't know.
Like so, there we just mixed it a little in. So
It
it's a
seems to be
little
nothing.
too much watery. So let's add a bit more. Oh no! So now, guys, let's mix it with a handy dandy brush. Again. So this time, I think what's wrong is, okay, so let's add the shaving cream right here. Right, guys? Right? Right? Wait. Right, guys? Right?
Yep.
And then we are just going to just add some right there. That's
Okay,
it.
hold on.
That's it.
You hold it. You hold it.
And then last,
Because you know,
contact
no,
solution.
that's not what you need.
And then now,
Hold it.
Jenny, mix it.
What I was trying to
And we
say.
might add some lotion too on this one.
Ooh. Oh, never mind. Got
So
two.
we got our lotion over there.
Hold on. No slime should be white.
No.
It needs some color to it.
Because everyone needs color in them.
Why is it not coming out? Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
So
So now we're done with that.
now we
Wait, hold on. Mix it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I thought it disappeared.
Some more.
How is it disappearing? Oh, wait, no, never mind. I don't need no more. I don't.
Oh, well, okay.
Oh, well.
So just add more and keep mixing.
Seems to be nothing. Hold on. It doesn't need more paint on it.
We need lotion. And
No,
we have
no.
our lotion. Yeah, we do. We need the lotion. That's already too much shaving cream though.
But
If lotion helps. Do you have Tide? We need Tide.
no, I don't know how to type.
Okay, hold this real quick.